Have you ever done physical therapy, felt good for a while, and then the pain and tension came back? I see this happen so often. And it's not because you failed, it's because most rehab stops at a point where your body still needs guidance. Today, I want to share with you my journey of physical therapy and how yoga therapy has been the bridge. I had this left shoulder weirdness that never went away. The virtual physical therapist told me that I should actually go in and see a in-person physical therapist because I might have scoliosis. And I guess that would explain a lot because I had always had this pain. Getting proper care from a licensed professional to effectively diagnose you is the first step. So I went in, and thankfully, my health insurance did give me, I think it was maybe 12 sessions. As they were strengthening this left shoulder, I felt stronger and things felt more compact, like they were finally moving in together. I believe that physical therapy is great for acute recovery. And as this was all happening in my body, I realized that now there was a second step. So y- after working with a physical therapist, I realized that I needed to integrate this new strength and these patterns of movement into my yoga practice. As you learn and do the motions in physical therapy and then get cleared without actually working on your habits, your posture, your breathing, you don't actually change that issue. I always say yoga therapy is the best thing between physical therapy and like real life. As much as we would like physical therapy to just bridge the gap, it doesn't. I believe that the holistic effect of yoga therapy is the missing link. By integrating the gains that you made in physical therapy and how you live into each day, this is the slow medicine that we need after a period of physical therapy. So now we're going to do a micro practice. We will place one hand on the chest and one hand on the belly. And just take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, I want you to notice how your jaw relaxes. Maybe your shoulders drop. Notice how maybe your hips relax. And as you take another breath in, realize how that entire breath ripples out into your body. This was just a really quick breath in what we do in yoga therapy as we breathe into a specific part of the body and reintegrate it back into the whole piece. That's the kind of micro moment that keeps your progress alive. Like, this is the type of body and breath connection that allows your body to reintegrate itself. If your body is craving that next layer, something between being discharged from physical therapy and truly living pain free, my small group yoga therapy practice in Los Angeles is the best thing that you can do for yourself this fall. We keep it intimate so that you get guidance, but you don't get lost in the crowd. The practice is designed to meet you where you are. Please see my show notes for the links to sign up, and I hope to see you on the mat soon.